and it was a letter that was written by the consul of New York. And when I read that letter, it was an appeal to me to, one, reconsider, and a request to cancel. And this was only a few hours before the event. And I was kind of taken aback at their request, especially the fact that they utilize, or they mention the fact that the flag is a symbol that the country of China doesn't accept or doesn't agree with. And I was really taken aback by that. And the fact that the Chinese government, being housed in New York, is going to try to muscle in on a New Jersey municipality and try and influence their mayor or their governing body or their township as a whole as to what they can or cannot do, or what they should not do. I was taken aback by that. And I knew that the email that I received, which was an attached formal letter, I knew that that warranted an official response. I didn't want to be disrespectful and just ignore it. And I wanted my opinion to be put on the record. And I wanted to be noted as far as what I believed as a mayor and what our township stands by. And in my response to the vice consul, which was addressing the consul, was the fact that Belleville is a very diverse town. We're a very welcoming town, that we do stand with the Tibetan people, that we are not people that like to erase history or like to change history. We have a very unique history in Belleville. The first Chinese New Year celebrated on the eastern seaboard of the United States was celebrated right here in Belleville, New Jersey. And we have that connection to the Chinese culture. And the fact that they would try and muscle in on us and try and tell us what we can or cannot do, that was not going to work. And my township attorney, our police chief, our township manager, who's basically the CEO of the town, when they got the letter, they said, "Oh, wow, this, serious, what are you going to do?" And I said, there was never any question. There was never any doubt. The flag is going to fly at noon. And I'm proud to say that I'm here on Monday afternoon right now with you, and right outside my office, the flag is proudly flying. And